Hi, what's going on guys? Welcome back to this channel and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. In today's video, let's walk through how to charge a rechargeable USB LED lamp. So, let's get started. Step 1. Check out when you need to charge the LED lamp. A USB LED lamp has a teeny LED light indicator. You need to charge your LED lamp whenever the light indicator shows its blinking red color. Step 2. Turn off your LED lamp. Press on the power switch or touch on the on and off button. The USB rechargeable LED lamp allows both charging and turning on the light. However, to keep your lamp's battery under good condition, you need to fully charge your lamp before reusing it. Step 3. Charge your lamp with a USB connector. Plug your USB cable into the lamp charging port. In this case, the USB charging port is located behind the lamp. Plug the other side of the USB cable into a charger. Remember to provide your lamp charging input source with the correct option. You should look through your lamp manual for this info. Step 4. Wait for the lamp to be fully charged. It might take a while or a few hours for a battery on the LED lamp to be fully recharged. To know more about this info, you might check your lamp's battery capacity and apply a formula of time up charging equals to battery size divided by charger output amperes. For example, my lamp battery is 1400 milliamperes. My charger output is 1000 milliamperes. Therefore, the time of charging will be 1400 divided by 1000 equals to 1.4 hours. Always charge your lamp battery with a compatible charger or charging source. One fully charged LED lamp can be able to use in around 4 to 6 hours. That's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye for now.